design of microcontroller-based softball test equipment to measure overhand accuracy throw. Next slide. Okay, introduction. Okay, softball is one of the most popular sport not only in Indonesia but in the world. This is evidenced by the inclusion of softball as one of the sport in Indonesian National Sport Week. Not only that, this sport include in the scope of teaching material in small ball games of physical education and also as one of the compulsory courses in the Faculty of Sport Science, especially physical education and sport training courses. To find out the participants' softball skill, measurements are usually taken. The skill test to measure the basic technical skill of softball usually use the ordinal softball test, which consists 6 types, namely speed throw, fielding fly ball, throw and catch, repeated throw, function batting, and overhand accuracy throw. Conducting softball skill test using the ordinal softball is usually done manually in field. Next. Traditional test implementation is considered ineffective given the large number of students and the accuracy of the ball and wall is not accurate. That's one of problem. This study discussed the use of technology in education, especially physical education and sport. This study aims to produce a microcontroller-based softball test kit design to measure overhand accuracy throw. Okay. Problem identification from this first error result. When coaches or teacher take a measurement overhand accuracy, they give many error results because using manually test. Second, the time used is really wasting time because we can get result immediately, and we must take advantage technology advance in learning activity. Because of that, we need develop tools that can help measure softball overhand throw. Next slide. Research method are using R&D. According to Dieter, the design process for technology planning have 3 phases. First, conceptual design. Second, embodiment design, and 3, detail design. You can see the figure 1, product creation step. Next. Okay, this is my idea. Concept design, the idea for this development is how to design tools that can measure the accuracy of softball throw. Creating tools, the target leaderboard consists of 4 circles, each with a radius of 3 inches, 11 inches, 21 inches, and 30 inches, with the order of the score of each circle being 4, 3, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Next. Okay, with that concept, I must discuss with experts. So I make a focus group discussion with expert, IT expert, and electro expert, and subject who physical education teachers and coaches, who about my concept to make it with technology, and then I get the result. Next. First, the expert give me this embodied. I think it's the final design. I'm sorry. This is a final design of my conceptual design from IT expert and electro expert. This is a final design, not embodiment design. Next page. This is a toolkit scheme. This toolkit scheme, how to assemble 2 tools as follow. First, prepare the component of the tools need for making a scoreboard. And then the embodiment design tool use first 20 millimeter piezoelectric sensor, multiplexer, SM32 watt IC, power supply, serial communication chip, USB cable, computer and LCD tools, and trouble housing. This is IT and electro. Okay, next. This is a toolkit schema from input and output. Next. Okay. Next, I think. Next slide. Okay, this is flow chart, the working scheme of the tool. Can you previous the slide? Okay, this is a flow chart, the working scheme of the tool. First, when ball, the starts of sensor, when ball touch the leaderboards, multiplexer selection the input, and then microcontroller processing the data and showing in LCD TV and show the score, and then finish. Next. Okay. Okay, the discussion, this article is about design of microcontroller based softball test equipment to measure overhand accuracy throw. Interesting things to discuss as follow. First, is the design of the tool made the solution of the main problem? And the second is the design of the tool developed according a plan. Okay, first, the problem that arises in the measurement of the throw result lies in the accuracy of the throw. Mistakes often occur due to the limitation of officer in the result of throwing the throw. The use of microcontroller as the basis of developing this tool is expected to meet the criteria of objectivity in measuring the result of the throw. And the second, whatever tools needed in development need to be understood in detail. The science of technology is an important part of solving this problem. What tools are used, how to design and assemble the tool need to consider with electro and IT expert. Next. Is the design of the tool made easy to make? The idea of developing this tool aims to helping teacher and coaches to make it easy to showcase the result of student performance. Design of the tool based on the result of discussion with the electro and IT expert. Tool design since the beginning was formed based on the ease of assembly. Is the design of the tool made practical to use? The design that is seen based on design can be tested through expert judgment. Good design produces good expert value too. Next. The conclusion, the final product of this research is design of microcontroller-based softball test equipment to measure overhand accuracy throw. This tool only show conceptual design for the research future. Validity design must be tested by expert. Thank you for your attention.
Okay, thank you, Suci Cahayati. That was a great presentation for in terms of the sports science field. Those who are in sports science field, you will probably know this accuracy throw test. All right. There is one question that I would personally want to ask Suci Cahayati is that can this test equipment, conceptual design used for other sports? For others kind of sports, like let's look at archery, and because we use the yes, it can be
apply this. You can apply this in archery and another sports for accuracy, actually. But this focus for softball.
Oh yes, but you won't be able to apply this. We cannot maybe adapt it to other sports such as football, soccer. It is a bit difficult to adapt it to that way, or can be adapted?
Can be adapted for future research, I think.
Yes, okay. That is a very, very great topic to hear, actually, because in this multidisciplinary conference, we have topics vary from pineapple extract to what we have now, a microcontroller based softball test accuracy. That is a great opportunity to have your presentation on board here in IMC.